Klarna or Sezzle, both are two buy now and pay later services with lots of great tools. So how do both differ? The video covers Klarna versus Sezzle. Starting with availability, Klarna is available in over 10 countries including the US, UK, Australia and Canada. Sezzle on the contrary is available in the US and Canada only. Of course you get Android and iOS apps for supported stores, rewards and the virtual card. So where do you find both? Klarna offers a ghost card that works on most of the store websites. The ghost card is like a card but only works once. After using the card, the details are deleted. Sezzle on the other hand is supported by 34,000 stores in both nations. Moving on, how do both work? There are multiple ways to use Klarna. The Klarna app is integrated with a browser in which you can visit websites to shop. While visiting, an option called Pay with Klarna appears on the bottom center of the screen. As the app is a browser, you might need to log in with the store's account. For example, while shopping on eBay, you will need to sign in with your eBay account. When you get to the checkout page, you tap on the Pay with Klarna button. The next step is to insert the amount that you want to spend. If the amount is more than your limit, an error displays on the top of the screen. The next part is where Klarna gets creative and creates a ghost card. The ghost card has the amount that you put in and can be used for that purchase. Regarding in-store, it's a bit different. The Klarna app offers a digital card that can be added to Google or Apple Pay. You can use that card to shop in-store, but you must go to the app and activate the card before using it. The app also asks the total spending amount before activating the card. With Sezzle, you can go to a supported store website and on the checkout page, you will see the option Pay with Sezzle. The option goes to the Sezzle website to log in and complete the transaction. Regarding in-store, the process is the same. You activate the virtual card and add to Google or Apple Pay. Usually the limit of the virtual card is lower than your maximum spending limit and you have to apply for the card before adding it to the digital wallet. So how do you sign up on either? Well, both require some basic information including your email address, date of birth, card or your bank account, verified ID and your phone number. Both Klarna and Sezzle do a soft credit check which does not affect your credit score but gives both businesses an idea of your overall score. Let's move to limits. Klarna is generous and can offer up to $1,000 in the beginning. The company has said that depending on your account status, we will increase the limit. Their website also mentions that you can try purchasing an item more expensive than your maximum limit and see if the system allows that request. If it does, your limit will automatically increase. Sezzle on the other hand offers between $200 and $2,500. You can also expect an increased limit after some successful repayments. Moving on, Klarna offers 6 weeks to pay back. The first payment is the day of the purchase, while the rest are every 2 weeks. You also have the option to snooze the payment if you need extra time. Sezzle works similarly and gives you 6 weeks to pay back. The first payment is the day of the shop, while the rest are every fortnight. The last topic is the late fee. As Klarna is available in multiple regions, the late fee is region dependent. In Australia, the fee is between $3 and $15 depending on the total order value. There's also a maximum fee on the late order, which means that you will be charged a maximum of this value on that order. With Sezzle, you may get 2 extra days to clear the payment if you miss a payment. The company charges a $10 fee and your account is deactivated until you don't pay it back. Alright, here we end this Klarna vs Sezzle video. Thanks for watching and let me know your final choice in the comments and like the video if it helped.